and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on yet another video. We continue with our 30-day clutter-free closet challenge. We are on day 3 today. We've done day 1 and day 2. The videos are up here. You can go check them out. Day 3, we are focusing on the decluttering process. We are doing the decluttering itself today. We're gonna get into our closet and actually declutter. But before I get into my closet, I want you to get ready and prepared. The first things you need to have is get some trash bin ready with you. I have my trash bin here. Second thing you need is some hangers. I have my new hangers ready. The third thing you need is storage bin. If you need more storage, then get a storage bin ready with you. The other thing, if you are someone who like labeling, you need labels, so get that ready with you as well. Let's go to the second thing we need. My closet is quite small and it has everything that I need. That's the beauty of it. And I make sure that everything that I need fits here, because really I need to wear what is here. So this is the top part, the middle part, and the lower part. Second thing, after getting your supplies ready, is make sure that you have a clean space where you will put everything you will remove from your closet, whether that is your bed, whether it's a seat in your bedroom, in your living room, but make sure you have a clean place where you'll put your clean clothes in. The third thing you want to do, if your closet is set up like mine, is start from the top and remove everything from the top part, declutter the top part, and have some water and wet clothes to make sure that you clean. Once you remove everything from the top part, clean the upper part nicely and make sure it is well clean before you return anything, right? Once you finish with the top part, the third step is sorting out the clothes. That's where the real work is. What you wear the most, what you've not worn in the last 6 months or so, and what you can easily get rid of, what is torn, what is faded. You need to sort your clothes and get those things out. You sort them in the category of tops, bottoms, then you can divide them further to what you wear oftenly and what you don't wear. Basically, get sorting and get looking at your clothes. So I'm gonna start with the top part. Everything that's on the upper part of my closet. Mostly they are shorts, 2 bags, which are like the only bags that I have. I have some lassos, some sweaters, jackets. Basically everything on that upper part are things that I don't wear oftenly, so I put them up there. And I want to start with this section because there are not that many, but also because most of them are stuff that I don't wear oftenly. Bags, lassos, socks, and my Marvins, beachwear there. Here are jackets, then here I have hoodies and sweaters. So this is what goes up here where I remove them. I have cleaned the upper part and now I want to return them because most of them are stuff that I wear and they are seasonal. In the front here I have the lassos, at the back I have my costumes, then at the far back there I have jackets, here I have socks, and my Marvin. Then I have hoodies. Then my bags will go. I'm done with the upper part. I've decluttered it, organized everything. Looks good. On to the second part.